Hello, today we're going to show you how to replace the batteries. Here are the dry batteries, totally 6. So you have to make sure the positive and negative poles are correct. Just put it inside like this. Okay, then the other side. Make sure the negative side is connected to the spring. Okay. And then when it's done, we have to connect the cables. You have to make sure the small holes connect to the needles. And when you hear the click sound, then it is tight. Okay, then we put it back. And make it neat, and then we put back the cover. That's it.